Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Camry headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. For an added layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Now, open your car's hood and find the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll likely see some clips or screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these. Once the fasteners are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you enough space to reach the back of the bulb housing without much struggle.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping you refreshed during any DIY project, even a headlight replacement. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the assembly accessible, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Give it a gentle twist counterclockwise to detach it from the bulb. Next, you'll either unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb housing itself, depending on your Camry model. Once released, carefully pull the old bulb straight out, avoiding touching the glass. When installing the new bulb, hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated correctly. Secure it by re-engaging the retaining spring or twisting the housing back into place. Finally, reattach the electrical connector with a clockwise twist until it clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.